Hello everybody, another unboxing here with Vroom Entertainment. It's a pretty quick one, just got the one box.
Jesus. Would they make this adult proof?
Yeah, just careful with the knife, please.
Yeah.
Don't want you cutting yourself or stabbing me for that matter.
There we go. Oh, goodness. Fudge sakes. There we go.
Well done.
Listen here. Not cheap help, it ain't gonna be good.
Ah, silver screen. The Monkiemobile. That's kind of cool. Awesome. Just the one in the case. That's it. And there you have it. There's the Monkiemobile from the Monkeys TV show. Like I said, quick video this time. As always, thanks for watching. Happy hunting till next time. Take care.